Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a camcorder. It's a video camera, 2.7K, 30 megapixel digital camcorder with microphone, full HD vlogging camera with remote control and rotatable touch screen by Lens. Nice. 2.7K video camera for YouTube, for example. That HD video camera comes with LED fill light, external microphone, remote control, pause while recording with 270 degrees rotation, 3 inches HD touchscreen and 18 times digital zoom. This camcorder also can record video resolutions at 2.7K Ultra HD, shoot pictures at 30 megapixel, which is surprisingly capable budget YouTube equipment that can do more than you might think. Perfect for our video vlogs to help become a good YouTuber. Oh yeah! Video camera with microphone. And this is really important, because if you not use an external microphone, the sound is not so good. This camcorder is designed with a hot shoe interface that can be used to install an external microphone is required. And take care, it's required, really required. Every time if we use an external microphone, that will effectively improve the clarity of the recording and reduce the noise. An external stereo microphone can capture clear sound whether we are standing in front or behind the camcorder. It's a great vlogging camera for YouTube videos. Webcam and HDMI. That video camera can be used as webcam. We can have a video call with our friends and families by connecting the vlogging camera to our computer using the provided USB cable. Then we can talk it as a webcam by choosing the PCCAM mode, so as to enjoy video chatting or live streaming. The vlogging camera can be connected directly to an HDTV with HDMI cable and playback the videos you took before. You have an LED fill light and an anti-shake function. That YouTube camera has built-in LED fill lights. We can take beautiful photos in the low light, capture our family's most precious memories with the full HD camcorder, record important events suitable for family entertainments, family's trip, wedding, vacation, YouTube videos, birthday parties, sports events, tourist attractions, and so many more. In addition, it also supports electronic anti-shake function, which can effectively improve the picture quality. But I think it's better to attach a gimbal under it, because there is an hub for that, and this gimbal will make more anti-shake function than the built-in thing. It's a multi-function camcorder. The HD camcorder supports remote control, anti-shake, pause function, continuous shooting, face capture, beauty function, time-lapse, slow motion videos, and so much more. It's a beginner camcorder if you are going to take the first steps in video shooting. Full HD 2.7K videos, 30 megapixel images, 3 inches to 70 degrees rotatable touchscreen, supports SD card up to 128 gigabyte. Pause while recording, external microphone, continuous shooting, use while charging, remote control, face detection, face beauty effect, self-timer, webcam function, LED fill light for dark corners. And the video resolution is HD is 1280 to 720 with 30 frames. FHD is 1920 to 1080 with 30 frames. 2.7K is 2688 pixels to 1520 with 20 frames. Take care. The format is AVI. The image resolution is maximum 30 megapixel. The format is JPEG. Digital zoom is 80 times, and the lens is f2.6 and 7 millimeters. External lens support 37mm bayonet UV lens, wide angle lens, etc. This is excluded. The extended storage supports SD SDHC cards from 4 GB to 128 GB. But I used for that video a 2 GB SD card. That works too, no problem. White balance, auto daylight, cloudy, tungsten, and fluorescent. You have an auto power off function, 60 second, 180 second, 300 second, and 600 second. Light sensitivity is auto ISO 100, ISO 200, ISO 400. The self timer is 2 second, 5 second, and 10 second. The exposure compensation is minus 3.0 EV until approximately plus 3.0 EV. The battery is a 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. The LED full light range is less than 1 meter, and the focus range is approximately 1 meter up to infinity. Computer port is USB 2.0. It contains, or it has a built-in microphone, yes, but you should use the additional microphone with it. And there is a built-in speaker. The size is 126 millimeters to 59 millimeters to 57 millimeters. The weight is about 253 grams, plus minus 5. It's a good camcorder for beginners to make the first steps. So you have some requirements because of the connectivity to your computer. It will need the Intel Pentium 2 GHz or higher, Microsoft Windows XP or higher, 2 GB RAM, 40 GB above the available disk memory, standard USB interface of course, and 1 GB graphics or higher. Of course, you will need a 224 to 768 pixel or higher resolution on the computer. Then, at the front side of the cam, you can see an LED light for darkness. Then you can see the lens. At the rear, there you can see an external mic port. This is for your external microphone, which you will dock on the hot shoe on the upper side of that camcorder. Then you have an HD port and a USB port. You will use the USB port to reload your camcorder and the HD port to get the information out of the camera on a flat screen for occasion. Then you have indicator lights and a record and OK button. On the top side of your device, you will see the hot show for example, the microphone and the shutter. A shutter for pictures and the zoom in and zoom out button. On the bottom side, you have a tripod port. Use the tripod port with a gimbal and you have no trouble anymore. You have a battery cover there, an SD card cover, where you can dock the SD card and of course the battery. Inside of the camcorder, underneath the screen, you have a speaker, a microphone built in, the power light button on top, then the mode button to switch between the modes, then you have the menu button to switch into the menu up and down. So the power button is to use or to switch on the device, of course. That means you press the buttons to turn it on or off. Otherwise, you can lift up the LCD screen and it will automatically goes on too, okay? Then you can press it to switch on the LED light, and then you have the menu button. This calls out the menu in different modes. The mode button switch between video, photo, playback, setup mode. Standard, the camera stands for photo shooting mode. The video camera stands for video recording mode. The arrow stands for playback mode, and the tool stands for setup mode. Then you can use page up, page down, and playback mode. Press the button to page up, image or video files, etc. The same is with the page down. That will rise down the image or the video files. Then you have the photo button on the top side. In the photo mode, press the button to take the photos. Then you have a record OK button on the back side. In the video mode, press the button to record or stop the video. In setting mode, press the button to confirm. Okay? And you have the zoom button. In photo and video mode, pull left board or right board the button to achieve the zoom. In image playback mode, shrink, amplify, and move the image. And it's really easy to attach, really easy to assemble, and really easy to use. Of course, you can connect the terminal and the standard USB interface on the computer. Then you will reload, of course, your camcorder. If you are recording something, then you have earn video mode. On the left upper side, you can see the recording mode indicator. Then the video resolution indicator, then the scene mode indicator, and then the LED light indicator on the screen itself. Then on the right side, upper right side, you can see the recording time indicator. Underneath that, the memory card indicator. Then the zoom indicator on the right side. And on the right bottom side, the battery indicator itself. Then on the left side, you can see the menu indicator, the white balance indicator, exposition indicator, the ISO indicator, and the sharpness indicator. And of course, the recording effect indicator. This all informations are on the screen at the edges on your screen to see what's going on with that video mode. If you switch to photo mode, you have another information on it. The shooting mode indicator on the left upper side, then the photo resolution indicator, the theme mode indicator, and the anti-shake indicator. Then on the right side, the face detection indicator, the smile face capture indicator, then the right side, the LED light indicator, the remaining number indicator on the right bottom side. Then you can see on the left side the ISO indicator, the sharpness indicator, the shooting effect indicator, battery indicator. Then you have the memory card indicator. Every information are on the screen. You can see and you can perform. Switch between the modes by using your fingers because it is touchscreen, but it's better to use the buttons, of course. Use the mode button and the up-down buttons to switch between the modes, and accept it by the big button on the back side of the camcorder. Of course, you should not use in camcorder mode the mode with the highest resolution, because there is not so much frames indicated. That means it's better to go down a little bit with the resolution to make a better movie about or with that camcorder. What's really awesome is the night mode. If you are switched to night mode, then the LED indicator or the LED lights on the front side will start, and then it's better in dark areas to make movies with that LED support on the front side of your camcorder. It's really easy, really nice for beginners. The resolution is medium range. The sound is medium range, but it's okay because it's not so expensive. This device is not so expensive. For that, it's okay device, no problem with it. You can make good videos with it if the light is good, or if it's dark enough, because the built-in night mode is really nice. And if you are have a look, 1 meter in front of you is the picture what you're going to shoot, then it's no problem. But under 1 meter, it's not so good with because of the lens. The lens will goes from 1 meter to the stars. No problem with it. and use an external mic for it, because this will rise up the quality of the sound. The sensor is a COMS sensor, maximum 30 megapixels. Software interpolation. Sensitivity is out to ISO 100, ISO 200, ISO 400. The storage media, as I told you, it supports C10 or higher SD cards. Maximum 128 gigabyte. The lens is fixed. The focus range is 1 meter to infinity, as I said. The image format is JPEG. The video format is AVI, 80 times digital zoom, as you can see. You have an electronic anti-shake. Maybe if it's too shaky, use a gimbal. The gimbal can dock under the camcorder by using a tripod or a gimbal itself, and this supports so much better that. White balance is auto sunlight, cloudy lamp, fluorescent, and you have a 3 inches IPS touch screen. PC interface is USB. External microphone is supported, and you should use it. It's really important. The power is in NP40 lithium battery, and it's a beginner camcorder, and it will make fun if you start a video blogging or a video artist thing by yourself. That is the camcorder 2.7K high definition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.